10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the world of Mitsubishi Motors, where ideas, design, and engineering come together to give you freedom in mobility, allowing you to drive your ambition. Let me congratulate Mitsubishi Motors Malaysia for their strong determination and bold initiative to introduce the groundbreaking 7-seaters crossover, Mitsubishi Xpander, in Malaysia. I am very delighted to announce that your long-awaited Xpander is going to be locally produced here in Malaysia, and the production starts this month. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation confidently assured that this Xpander provides our customers with great quality and performance. We acknowledge that Malaysia is one of our important markets for Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. We have introduced locally assembled models in the past to meet Malaysians' lifestyle from time to time. We are very confident that this Xpander will be well accepted by Malaysian customers. The Mitsubishi Xpander is built from the ground up specifically for the ASEAN region. Designed for the adventurous, the thrill-seekers, and the go-getters, the Mitsubishi Xpander has been a massive success since its introduction in Indonesia, with a total approximately 270,000 units sold in Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines, and Vietnam. It has captivated people with its futuristic style, excellent comfort, and efficient performance. We are confident that the Xpander will capture the hearts and minds of Malaysians, enabling you to live the exciting life you want. Let's live beyond limits.
Limits exist only in the mind. Life is a journey that's unpredictable.
Prime Minister said that he will be making a big announcement.
Mengesan virus COVID-19 mutasi.
Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan.
We can't foresee what it throws at us. But Malaysians are spirited. We grow stronger. We overcome together. And we can't wait to do what we love. To live. To go beyond. Without limits.
At Mitsubishi Motors, we listened to our customers, we understood the market, and we adapted. We saw the shift in taste and lifestyle, the growing demand for SUVs and crossovers. Malaysians wanted a car that matched their aspiration for a more active lifestyle. Driven by your ambition, the Xpander here in Malaysia has been localized to offer more convenience and comfort. This is where we bring the Xpander to life. The operation here is driven by the very same philosophy that aligns with everything we do at Mitsubishi Motors. Our ambition for perfection. We see perfection in the details, and we make sure we do it exceptionally well. We strongly believe that if you do the little things well, the big ones fall right into place. When we assemble the Xpander, not even the tiniest of detail is overlooked, beginning from the very foundation of the car. Every body panels are aligned and welded by skillfully trained personnel to ensure the accuracy of body frame and chassis. We make sure everything fits perfectly. Our quality control experts inspect the Xpander's exterior, looking for dents, gaps, or other defects before the painting process begins. The Xpander will then undergo pretreatment and electrode deposition by 360-degree somersault in ED coat tank at one of the most advanced paint shop in ASEAN. A layer of primer is painted by a robotic system and then dried in a heated open bay. The Xpander is then painted again with multiple coats to a fine finish. The final form of the Xpander takes shape in the assembly line where thousands of components are put together. We ensure that every single one of them is of the highest quality and assembled with utmost precision. Every stage is examined by Mitsubishi Motors Corporation's certified auditors to ensure the same high standards and consistent quality of Mitsubishi Motors production worldwide. Before it is shipped to our customer, each unit undergoes extensive quality control tests. Every inch is checked in all aspects by human eyes and cutting-edge technology. The Mitsubishi Xpander, in all its glory, is a testament to the pride, passion, and dedication of our team. We are proud to present the new Xpander assembled in Malaysia.
Mitsubishi Xpander, the latest addition to our modern lineup in Malaysia. Designed to let you go wherever you want, to do what you want, beyond limits. Live a life filled with adventure, excitement, and joy. The Xpander is your partner in adventure. Wherever you see it, it's hard to ignore. Stunning from every angle, utterly captivating and unforgettable. When you drive the Xpander, the world watches. Impressive, isn't it? Of course, the first thing you'll notice is a striking and futuristic front, the advanced dynamic shield design. Bold, sporty, and robust. It's unmistakably Mitsubishi. This is a crossover that sets a new standard for everyone else. The Xpander's bold style continues with its futuristic LED position lamps and LED headlamps with crystal-like blocks to the rear combination lamps that extend onto the tailgate, which gives it a stylish premium look with a hint of luxury. Xpander is anything but boring, as design goes beyond aesthetics. It's also practical. Xpander has a high ground clearance, which gives it that distinctive SUV look, allowing you to drive on paths you normally wouldn't. Xpander has ample room for your things, because when your family or friends tag along, you're going to need the space for their stuff. There are multiple cup holders, side pockets, trays, and even hidden compartments that can store a few pairs of shoes. Running out of space is a thing of the past. The Xpander sports the biggest capacitive high-resolution touchscreen in its class. The 9-inch multimedia display comes with Apple CarPlay and is Android Auto ready. Whether you are following the navigations on Waze or picking your favorite tunes on Spotify, with this big screen, it's all just so much easier. And when you're on the move, the digital video recorder captures a wide angle recording your drives. You'll also be glad to know that with the Xpander, getting out of tight spot isn't a frustrating experience. With the all-round monitor, You will get a 360-degree bird's eye view of your surroundings when you're getting in or out of parking bays. Not to mention, Xpander also comes with these super stylish leather seats, plus a rear air circulator with fan speed adjuster for the rear passengers, which is a must for Malaysia's hot weather. Oh, and did I mention, it's a 7-seater. So, no matter what you want to do, a vacation with the family, balik kampung during festive seasons, or any outdoor activities where you need to pack gear, the Xpander just lets you do so much more to experience and to appreciate everything that life has to offer.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.